In this video, I'll show you how to download Sims 4 mods and CC. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Downloading and installing mods and custom content for The Sims 4 is much easier than you probably think, so let's get right into this. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up a web browser just like so, and we need to go and download a mod or mods and custom content for The Sims 4. So you may already have some you want to go and download. If that's the case, go to that website and download it. In this case, there's no specific mod or custom content I want, so I'm going to go to a website called the Sims 4 resource. You could just go and search for Sims 4 mods, but just make sure you use trusted websites because there are going to be sort of, viruses and things like that. So I like to use the Sims resource just like this, and here we are. So now what we need to do is go and find a mod or some custom content which I want to go and use. So yeah, you can literally go and choose anything. In this case, I might go use this one here. As you can see, there are these VIPs, and this basically means you have to pay for it, but there are free ones on here as well. For example, this one here. So in this case, I want to go download these eyelashes here. So go over to the right hand side and go and tap on see more and download. There are going to be ads on this website which says things like install and download, so just be aware of those because they aren't what you're expecting basically. So go and tap on see more and download, and we take into this page here. And then what we need to do is scroll down and over to the right, there's going to be a download button. Tap on download like so, and you'll then be asked to go and get the VIP, but don't worry, just press continue downloading. But of course you could get it if you want it. And then we need to go and enter this code here to go and verify we're actually a human. So type that in there, 8487, and then tap on continue downloading. And then it's going to say 1 second left, and then we can go and press on download now. There are a few steps to this, as you can probably see, and hopefully now this is going to go and start downloading. Just like that, it's gone and downloaded. Now every browser will have its downloads in different places, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it's gone and downloaded. So you can now go and download other mods and custom content as well. In my case, I just want that one there. Now, what we need to do is go and open up our file explorer just like so. And what you need to do is go to your documents just like this and then scroll down until you go and see the option for electronic arts. As you can see, here it is, and then go and double tap on it. Everybody should have electronic arts folder in their documents because that was placed there when it was first installed automatically. And then go and tap on the Sims 4, go and tap on the mods folder just like so. And by default, everybody is going to have this sort of resource file in here. Now, what we need to do is go and find the file which we just went and downloaded. So I'm going to go and open up another file explorer by just right clicking on the file explorer in my taskbar like so, and then just pressing on file explorer. Then go over to the left and go and tap on downloads, and as you can see, the eyelashes I just downloaded are here. Now you can see this is a package file. Don't worry about the file type, it's going to be fine. Now if you have like a zip file you downloaded or a folder, that's fine as well. Just go and double tap on it, and then what you can do is drag them straight out of it into the mods folder. So what I'm going to do is just go and drag this file into the mods folder like so. And so if you have like a zip file, literally just go and double tap on it and drag it out into there just like I did into the mods folder. It's really straightforward. Then you can come and close off of that. The next thing we need to do is go and open up the Sims 4. So I'm going to go and open up the EA launcher and then press play, and I'll show you what to do next once Sims 4 loads. When you launch Sims 4, you're going to have this pop up here called mods, and it's going to show you the custom content and mods you've gone and installed. So that's correct. I've gone and installed these eyelashes. Then go and tap OK. Now the next thing we need to do is just make sure that mods and custom content are enabled. To do that, go over to the right hand side and tap on options, and then you need to go and tap on game options, and then what you need to do is go over to the left hand side and tap on other, and you need to make sure enable custom content and mods is enabled. If it isn't, go and select it and then go and tap on apply changes in the right hand side like this, and that's it. That's then going to be applied, and now you can go and get into your Sims 4 games and go and use those mods you've gone and installed. If you found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.